Experiencing no service on your Metro by T-Mobile phone? This usually means your phone can't connect to the cellular network, preventing calls, texts, and data usage. First, determine if the issue is widespread or isolated to your device. Check Metro by T-Mobile's coverage map at metrobytemobile.com/coverage or use the Metro app to confirm you're in a coverage area. Also, check online resources like Down Detector for reported outages in your region. If others are experiencing the same problem, it's likely a network issue. If the problem is isolated, continue troubleshooting with the steps in the next section. If the problem is not widespread, try these solutions. First, restart your device by powering it off for 30 seconds, then on. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to reset the cellular connection. Then, remove and reinsert your SIM card. Ensure your Metro by T-Mobile account is active and paid by logging into the Metro app or mymetro.com. Also, verify that your APN settings are correct. You can find the correct settings on T-Mobile's support site. If none of these steps work, reset your phone's network settings. Settings General Reset, Reset Network Settings. If the problem persists, contact Metro by T-Mobile support via live chat or by calling 1-888-863-8768 or visit a store.